No, they're bending down and offering at the feet. Because this is where offerings are made, at the feet. Etat padyam klim Krishnaya namaha. Etat padyam klim Gaurangaya namaha. Etat padyam, right? Etat idam pushpam, it's offered at the feet. Puja begins where? Where does puja begin? At the feet. You offer incense to the feet, you offer the flower to the feet. So, the trees are great devotees. So as I said, in the glories of Vrindavan, we find that even as 5,000 years ago the trees were devotees, engaged in puja, 500 years ago the trees were also devotees. Right here at Radhakund, this point was established to remind everybody to be careful in Vrindavan. Das Goswami was excavating Shamakund and making it larger so that more devotees could come and take baths there. And then he had a dream of the Panch Pandava. Yudhisthira, Bhim, Arjun, Sahadev, Nakul. They came in a dream and they say, hey, wait, Are, you're going to make this first you made Radhakund. Now you're making Shamakund, you're going to make a big square here, big rectangle like Radhakund. Well, if you do that, we're right on the edge here. We're all here in the form of trees. We take in the form of briksha, trees here. Devotee trees to serve Radha and Krishna Vrindavan with our shade, with our fruits, with whatever we have. We're doing Arpanam, Krishna Arpanam, Radha Krishna Arpanam, Tadarpanam, Matkarushva Madarpanam, Matkarushva Madarpanam. And please, Das Goswami Pad, don't cut us down. So then he woke up, most amazing dream. So he told the workers, please, don't make this kund like rectangle, like Radhakund. But I've just realized, it's been revealed to me that any given tree here on the banks of Shamakund may be another great devotee. Maybe Narada Muni's here, Uddhava's here. Or any great devotee, Ambarish, Kunti, who knows? Draupadi. If the Pandavas there, can Draupadi be there? Yes, no?
Yes.
Possibly yes. Kunti can be there, yes. Or maybe Bhishma.